welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, double welcome. My name is Michelle, your local Delaware Realtor, brokered by EXP. I cover most things real estate, and today we're going to do a drive-by tour of a hidden gem in Delaware, the community of Cinnamon Station. Okay, let's get into this video. So welcome to Cinnamon Station, one of the most charming and peaceful communities in Newark, Delaware. Cinnamon Station is a close-knit suburban neighborhood built in 2001. This community features around 50 meticulously designed single-family homes, each offering plenty of space, modern layouts, and thoughtful details. Home sizes range from 2,775 to 3,100 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, perfect for families of all sizes. With an HOA fee of just $385 per year, you can enjoy a well-maintained, serene environment, making this neighborhood not only beautiful, but also hassle-free. So let's talk about the homes. These properties boast spacious, open floor plans that are perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Features often include attached garages, central air conditioning, and natural gas heating for year-round comfort. Recently, homes here have sold in the range of $498,000 to $530,000. For example, one of the standout properties in the neighborhood offers 2,800 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, a true blend of luxury living. Close to major roads, shopping centers, Cinnamon Station is conveniently located near Ironside Road, offering quick access to major highways like I-95 and Route 40. This makes commuting to Wilmington, Philadelphia, or nearby areas very convenient. For families, this neighborhood is part of the Christina School District, with schools like West Park Place Elementary and Gauger Cobb's Middle School nearby. And when it's time to shop, dine, or run errands, everything you need is just minutes away. Cinnamon Station is a peaceful, family-friendly neighborhood where you can enjoy tree-lined streets, a welcoming vibe, and a safe environment for kids to play. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you in any way, give me a like and also hit that subscribe button. If you're a buyer and Delaware feels like the perfect place to call home, I would love to help you. All my information is below in the description below. And also, if you are a seller, I would love to help you as well. Click the link in the description box below to get an instant home evaluation, or if you want a more personalized report, just send me an email. Thanks again, and I'm Michelle, helping you find your way home. I will see you in the next video.